If you are a cherry fan, then you are going to love this cherry lemonade. It's sweet, it's tart, and of course it is so easy. Let's go. Okay, so we're going to start out with about 3 cups of dark cherries. They were frozen, so I went ahead and let them just thaw on out. They've been pitted, all that good stuff. They are ready to go, okay? So we're going to place these cherries right into our blender. We're going to blend it on up. This won't take long at all, and you can use fresh cherries, but I've only made this with frozen cherries. It's just so much easier. Okay, now we're going to double strain this. You want to make sure that you extract as much juice as possible. I like to use one of these juicing bags right here. I think that it just works so good with getting all that juice out of those cherries. So yeah, get you a juicing bag and then just squeeze, squeeze, squeeze and get all of that juice out. And when you're done, you're going to have about a little over a cup of this luscious, rich, bold cherry juice. I love, love, love cherry juice. And I love this color. And it also helps you sleep. Did you know that cherry juice is like the bomb sleep aid? Okay, so next we're going to add in some really, 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 really hot water. Dump that in there. And we're going to go ahead and place this into a larger measuring cup. I don't know why I had that tiny little measuring cup trying to do this. Okay, now in goes our sugar. I like my lemonade on the sweeter side because once you add ice to it, pour it over ice and it starts to melt. So I make my lemonade a little bit sweeter. You can cut down on sugar if you want to. Okay, so now we're going to juice our lemons. You want to use fresh lemon juice for this recipe, okay? So go ahead and juice your little lemons up. And if you don't want lemon pulp in your lemonade, you can go ahead and strain it, which is what I always do. Okay, so now I'm just going to add my lemon juice into my little syrup mixture here. You can add more lemon juice if you want to, okay? You can add as much lemon juice as you want if you want it to be like really, really tart. But cherries are kind of tart anyway, so I didn't want to add too much lemon juice, you know? Okay, so now we're going to place this into our pitcher, and now it is time for our water. You can use water, you can use club soda, you can use Sprite, you can use rose water. I'm using some good old purified what is that, Mountain Valley water. Use good water for your lemonade. You're gonna have a good tasting lemonade. Don't use that tap water, but pour in some really, really cold water. You want to pour in a little bit of water, taste it, pour in some more, taste it, and just until you get the sweetness that you like. All right, go ahead and give it a stir, put it in the fridge, let it chill. Okay, it has to be served cold. It's so good when it's cold. And then just pour it over ice and you have this rich, full-bodied natural cherry lemonade. Y'all, it's so good. If you make it, let me know how you like it. All right, thanks for watching. Later.